This is just a quick review before we take your quiz. This first one just says set up the matrix for the following, so we're not going to solve, but we're just going to set up. So sentence number 1 says the sum of two numbers is 30. So we'll write that first. So sum means addition, is means equal, and I have two numbers, so we'll just call those x and y. So basically x plus y equals 30. The second sentence says the difference of the first number and the second number is 10. And so remember, difference means subtract, is means equal, and 10. So difference of x minus y equals 10. So that is how you would set up your first system. And it just says set up, so we're not even going to solve. Again, for example number 2, it just says set up the matrix for the following. So it says at a basketball game, 172 of tickets were sold. Each adult ticket was $6 and each student ticket was $4. A total of 928 was taken in from ticket sales. So I'm going to put all my dollars in green because I know that equation is all going to go together. So again, $6 for adults, $4 for students, a total of 928. I'm going to go ahead and write that equation first. So I have 6 adult plus 4 for students equals 928. I still haven't used this 172 yet. So I know that they sold adult and student tickets, and the total number sold was 172, so that means however many adult tickets plus however many student tickets equals 172. Again, it just said set up, so we're not going to solve, but here are my two equations. For this last one, it wants us to set up and solve. So this one says a bakery, one customer paid $10.92 for 4 cups of coffee and for 2 cookies. Another customer paid $18.58 for 6 cups of coffee and 5 cookies. What was the price of 1 cup of coffee? What was the price of 1 cookie? So take a second to write your system. Try to figure out what method to use. So we'll pause the video and then we'll give you the answers in a few seconds. Hopefully for your first equation, you did something like 4 for the coffee, 2 for the cookies. I'm just going to use y for cookies. And that was $10.92. So I'm just going to write myself a note up here that coffee was C, cookies was y. The second sentence says another customer paid $18.58, so that's my total. And they bought 6 cups of coffee and 5 cookies. So these should have been your two equations. Then hopefully you realize that since neither of them are solved for y equals, we don't have a variable isolated, we're going to use elimination, and we just use our calculator for that. When I solve the matrix using my calculator, I get an answer that looks like this. And so what this means is that coffee was $2.18 and cookies were $1.10.